Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to join us again on another real working day? Today, we've come to a beautiful village area, and we're excited to show you what we're doing. In today's video, we're going to cut 4 trees step by step, and we'll show you the whole process from start to finish. This is part of our daily work in our furniture business here in Sri Lanka. It's going to be a very interesting and satisfying journey. So stay with us and watch till the end. Alright guys, let's get started. These trees have grown very close together as a cluster. All 3 are tall and strong. Cutting them can be a bit dangerous, so we always work very carefully. Next, we will also show you a big kata tree. Alright, let's see how we cut these 3 trees step by step.
First, we bring the boom truck close to the trees we are going to cut. Then, before starting the work, we carefully check the cutting machine. We inspect everything to make sure it is safe and ready. We check the fuel and oil levels properly. Only after completing all these checks, we begin the cutting work safely and carefully. Alright guys, now we are getting ready to cut the kata tree first. Before we start cutting, it's very important to clean the area around the tree. There can be animals hiding nearby, and sometimes there may be sharp thorns or even broken glass on the ground. So we carefully clear everything to make the working area safe. Having a clean space around the tree makes the job much easier, and most importantly, it increases our safety while cutting. After preparing the area, we begin the cutting process. First, we make a notch cut on the tree. This helps us control the direction in which the tree will fall. Then, we make a horizontal back cut from the opposite side. These 2 cuts work together to guide the tree safely to the ground. Since we have already cleared an open area, we can bring the tree down in that direction without any danger. This step is very important because controlling the fall of the tree helps prevent damage and keeps everyone safe. As you can see, every step we take is planned carefully. Tree cutting is not just about cutting wood. It's about working smart and staying safe at all times. All right, now let's continue and bring this tree down safely. What's this we found here? Do you know what this is? This is called a noda. When we go deep into the forest to cut trees, we often come across different kinds of wild fruits like this. And a noda is one of the tastiest fruits you can find out here. Today, we were already feeling a bit hungry and thirsty after working for a long time. So finding this was just perfect. Nature really takes care of us sometimes. The fruit is soft, juicy, and has a very unique, sweet taste. It's something you can only truly enjoy in the wild like this. After taking a short break and refreshing ourselves, now it's time to get back to work. We are preparing the kata tree for transport. Before loading it onto the boom truck, we need to cut the tree into smaller, manageable pieces. This makes it easier and safer to carry. What you're seeing now is how we carefully cut the tree, step by step, into sections. Each cut is important to make sure the wood is handled properly and ready for transport. All right, let's continue the work. Lunu Medela wood is very useful for many things. We can use it to make doors, roof planks, and also for civil work. This wood is strong and very helpful for different kinds of construction work. These 3 trees are growing together in one cluster. Because of that, we have to cut them carefully and in the correct order. That is why we cut the trees one by one, following a proper method. We cut the trees from 3 sides step by step. This helps us control the direction of the fall and keeps the work safe. Safety is very important when cutting trees like this. Now you can see how the tree is being cut carefully. We take our time and make sure each cut is done properly. Up to this point, we have safely brought down all 3 trees. Now we start cutting the tree into sections. This makes it easier to carry and transport the wood. Each part of the tree is useful, so we cut it carefully without wasting anything. We always follow the correct method to keep the wood in good condition. All right, now we continue the work and finish cutting all the parts properly. So guys, this is how we cut 3 Lunu Medela trees for our work. All right, so now we move on to the next step, transporting these logs. As you can see here, we have already cut the wood into smaller, manageable pieces. This makes it much easier and safer to handle during loading and transport. Now we are carefully loading each log onto the boom truck. This part is very important because we need to place every piece in a proper order. If the logs are not arranged correctly, it can become dangerous while traveling. So, we take our time and stack them neatly inside the truck, making sure the weight is balanced on both sides. This helps the vehicle stay stable on the road. Once everything is properly loaded and secured, we can transport the wood safely without any risk. This is how we prepare and load our timber before heading to the next stage of our work. All right, now we've successfully loaded all the logs onto the truck. The next step is to secure them properly with strong ropes. This is very important to keep everything in place during the journey. After tying them tightly, we're ready to transport these logs safely to the sawmill. That's where the real transformation begins, turning raw wood into usable timber for our furniture work. It's been a long and busy day for us, a real marathon of hard work from start to finish. But this is what we love doing every day. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. We'll see you again in another video just like this. Thanks for watching.